Another doubt that comes out, and this is mainly from the Rawafid, is that they say, where does the word Mushaf come from? Abu Bakr invented this word because this Qur'an, na'udhu billah, are the words of Abu Bakr, na'udhu billah. Whereas the true Qur'an is with us, going back to Ali. We'll talk about that in a second. Ali ibn Abi Talib himself said, this is a narration which goes back to him, which is Sahih. أعظم الناس في المصاحف أجرا Abu Bakr. The greatest person, the person who gets the greatest reward for the Mushaf is Abu Bakr. Who's saying that? Ali. Ali is saying two things here. Number one, that Abu Bakr is going to get great reward for what he did. And number two, Ali is establishing the fact that the Mushaf is called the Mushaf. Rahmatullah ala Abi Bakr. This is Ali saying this. May Allah have mercy on Abu Bakr, huwa awwalu man jama' al-Qur'an. He is the first person who collected the Qur'an. Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, this is where it actually came from. This is the actual history behind it. Abu Bakr, he said, I need a name for what we're going to call this. Because the Qur'an, remember the Qur'an, what's the Qur'an? The Qur'an is what is recited. What are we going to call the book? It's not Qur'an. Qur'an is what is recited. Qur'an is what is heard. Qur'an is what is read. Qur'an is what is written down. But what is the name of the collection? Iltamisu lahu isman. Abu Bakr is now asking the companions, let's seek a name. So some of them said, let's call it Sifr. Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, he comes out, he said that we should call it the Mushaf. Abdullah ibn Mas'ud. So Abu Bakr said, yes, we'll call it the Mushaf. And then we've got the statement of Ali, which I think is sufficient. Therefore, the allegation against Abu Bakr in the Mushaf incident, it doesn't make sense for two reasons. Number one, Ali approved of it. And number three, the companions, again, like we've said, Ijma' al-Sukuti, were accepting of it. And number four, if you like, or number three, if you like, it wasn't Abu Bakr's idea anyway. He just approved of it. The name came to him, he said, yeah, let's call it that.